Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we have that BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013 guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace windshield washer, pump, okay, that's for the spray nozzles on the windshield, or the pump for the hand lamps, or if you have a wagon, the pump for the rear window. All three of them will be the same way guys, and stay with us to show you how to do that now. So what we need to do first guys, okay, we need to jack the car up, remove the tire. Okay, and let me just quickly introduce you. We have a new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please give a subscribe. We have engine codes, airbag codes, things like that relate to electrical components. So let's go ahead and proceed now. Okay, you can see the wheel is removed already. Now we need a small screwdriver, okay, and we need that so we can push those clips in. Okay, the middle part will go in, so later we will have to hunt for that thing. Okay, you can see this one fell out, one on the bottom. And one on top. So you have three clips that the middle piece needs to be pushed in until it comes loose. Sometimes those you'll not be able to find them, so we'll include the clips that we purchased in the description of the video, so please check them out. Next we'll need 8mm socket. Okay, and right here there is a nut that we need to, a bolt actually, that we need to remove. There is one right there, bolt again, one towards the back, and with 10mm there is a nut, so we need to remove that nut now. After that we need to go underneath, okay, and then one more nut there with 10mm, okay, and now we need to get 8mm to remove one bolt. Okay, and this piece, okay, will come down like that. Now we need a 10 again, and with that 10, okay, let me show you, there is, okay, another nut for the fender liner. Remove that as well. There is one here. Okay, let me show you what this one is. You can remove it with a Torx, okay, like Torx 15, 20, like a plastic bolt here. And now we need to go back here, we forgot one more, with 8mm, okay, right there. This is it, this one, right here. Okay, now we need to start pulling that fender liner out of there. And those clips are still holding here, so we need to go ahead and remove them. Okay, just pull out the outside piece. All three of them. Okay guys, and that fender liner is out of the way now. You can see just like that. Now this is where the windshield washer reservoir is. Okay, you can see right here. Now we need to start getting to it and removing it. We just found one of the plastic clips inserts. That's what it looks like. Okay, so we need to find two more somewhere. Okay, one more. Okay, so we're just one short now. Hopefully we find this one. If not, we'll need to get some replacement clips. Again, everything will be listed in the description under the video. So now right there, 10mm socket, we need to remove that bolt. Okay, you need to get the wiring harness out of here, and we'll need to start pulling it out. Okay, it comes only one way out. So let's disconnect those wires. All you have to do, just pull that clip out of the way. Careful not to break it. Okay, because otherwise you have to zip tie it there so it doesn't get loose. And ours is pretty stuck. And we did break it. So one more on the bottom here. Okay, this one came out. Now we need to disconnect the fuel hose here. So how you do that, you pull that notch there and you pull the hose out. There is one seal on the hose as well, so that could be causing some leakage as well in the future. You always have to inspect all the seals and we'll show you where. Okay, now it really depends on which model BMW you have, guys. Okay, you can see we have a station wagon with a headlamp washers. Okay, the station wagon has a windshield wiper on the back window, and we have the headlamp washers here. So we will need 3 different motors. One for the headlamps, for the headlights, one for the windshield, one for the back window. And yours, if it's sedan, okay, sedan with only one motor, we will explain which one it is only. So this big one here, guys, this is for the headlights. Okay, headlight lamp washer here, that's the motor. Now this is for the front windshield. So if you have a sedan, you have only this one, and if you have headlamp washers, you might have this one. This one on the left right here, this is for the rear window. Okay, that black one is for the rear window. Yours might be different in color, but the position will be in that order. Okay, you can see this one is front, rear, headlamps. So now we will disconnect this motor here. Okay, windshield washer. So you need to pull it out of here because there is one tooth holding it, and then you have to push it up. All 3 of them will be the same procedure, pretty much. Okay, you can see we started pushing it up. Okay, now it will come out. You have to make sure that you don't put too much stress on wires, hoses. If you do, you have to disconnect them. Okay, in our case we have to turn it a little bit this way. Okay, so we can pull it out. Okay, like that, right here. Now, this is, guys, the windshield washer motor. This is for the front. How you disconnect that? On this side right here, you have one tooth that you need to press in. Okay, like that, and pull out. After that, all you have to do, disconnect the hose. Okay, sometimes they will be stuck, but you have to be careful how you remove them so you don't break the nozzle end, because that one is plastic and it's easy to break right here. So very careful how much pressure you put on those. So all you have to do next, you have to go ahead and put a new one in. Okay, and everything else goes in reverse order. So thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.